Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have come up with an Amazon haul. So Valentine's Day is coming, so I thought of pampering myself and buy a few products from Amazon. So I have got a lot of things from Amazon, and I have created this look using all the products that I bought from Amazon, and this is the preparation look for Valentine's Day. So if you guys want to know how I've created this looks and what all products I've bought, and how it applies and how I've created this look using those products, then keep on watching. And also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get started. So before starting the video, I want to let you guys know that I got affiliated by Amazon. So I have some affiliate link down below. So let's move into the products. I've got a lot of products, and those came in small deliveries, not it adds a whole box. So I don't have the boxes, but yeah, there are a lot of products that I bought from Amazon. So the first product I want to talk about is this one. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask in the shade berry. I have heard about this mask so much. People have been using it, and the packaging also is so good. So I was waiting to get this product. I think one of the product from Laneige, and yeah, I got this, and yeah, it's a very good mask. I like to use it at night. Yesterday night also I applied it, and this is the season. It is very dry. The lips becomes very dry, so it helps to moisturize your lips. Morning you are going to get very soft lips. Next, talking about this nail enamel. This is from Faces Canada. It is in the shade Morning Glory. I'm wearing in my lips. I have been wearing this for I think last 1 week. It's a very beautiful blue color. I love to wear blue colors, and yeah, it has been staying for a long time. So the next product I'm going to talk about is this one. This is the Japanese Cherry Blossom Shia Plus Vitamin E Shower Gel. It is from Bath and Body Works. See, the packaging is so beautiful. This packaging, when I was scrolling, I saw this and I found, okay, it looks like Valentine. So beautiful color, wine red color it is. So I wanted to try this. So it does not have a very strong smell. It has a mild smell. I don't like too much of strong smell. My nose is a little bit sensitive. I tend to sneeze and get cold also. Yeah, so this one was very good. So next are the makeup products. So first thing I got it. This is the primer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, normal to oily skin. I have oily skin, so, and also quite moisturizing. Before foundation, it moisturizes the face and it makes it even. Next, I have got one foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily Skin Foundation in the shade 330. So this is the new foundation. It has a pump. I have a lot of Fit Me foundation, but those are without pump. These are the older things, and Maybelline has changed their color shade and all these things. So 330 is quite neutral to me. It is not too much orangey. It is quite neutral to me. So yeah, it is a very good foundation. It's not too matte and too dry. Yeah, and yeah, it is very good for daily purpose. Next, I actually got one concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. So this is the old one. I have ordered one new one also. It is yet to come, but yeah, this has finished, so I wanted to refill. So yeah, I'm going to get the new one. And yeah, it's a very caramel shade is perfect for me because it is more orange tone. So next I have got this compact powder. This is from MyGlamm K.Play Vanilla Compact, and it is in the shade French Vanilla. I wanted to try products from MyGlamm, and yeah, I did not know which one to buy. There are so many products, but yeah, when I saw this one, this is a yellow based compact powder. I thought, okay, let me try this. I never have tried any product from MyGlamm, but yeah, the powder was very good. I used it to bake my under eye. Also I have used a dry beauty blender or makeup sponge and bake my under eyes, and used it to highlight the areas wherever I needed to highlight. Next, I have got an eyeshadow palette. It's a multi-purpose eyeshadow palette. I wanted to try a few products from Swiss Beauty, and this is from Swiss Beauty. This is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, and it is in the shade 03. very good eyeshadow palette. Today I have used this dark shade to fill in my brows, and also I have used this middle pinky, I think peachy pinky light pink shade to highlight you. And the matte shadow, I have applied it on all over my eyelid and also fill in my brows, and then I applied little bit of glitter from this shade, and you can see it has come up with a very glam smoky eye look. Next I'm going to talk about this eyeliner. This is from Maybelline, the Colossal liner. This is a felt tip liner. So it is very easy to use a felt tip liner. It stays for longer time. If you wait for some time it to dry, it dries, you know, and then there will be no transfer. It is going to stay for a long time. I can wear this makeup, you know, the liner is not going to move, and also because you have a felt tip liner, you can apply it a very thin layer. And for mascara, I have used this one. This is the Maybelline Hypercurl waterproof mascara. I had this mascara but not the waterproof version. This is a very good mascara. Both of them are very good mascara. I don't think I need any kind of lashes. Next, for setting my makeup, I have used this one. This is a Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Natural Aloe Vera with Vitamin E. So I wanted a makeup fixer from affordable brand, and yeah, a lot of people has been using this Swiss Beauty one. So I thought, okay, let me try how it goes on. So it has a tamarind kind of smell in it, lemony smell in it. The next product I'm going to talk about is this one. This is from Swiss Beauty. I want to try a lot of products from Swiss Beauty. People are, you know, using those. I really wanted to see how they goes on. This is a very good thing you can give to someone, because girls are going to love it. There are so many shades. Next I have got this one. This is from Just Herbal. This is the herb enriched Ayurvedic lipstick. So yeah, it has some, you know, natural benefits in it also. And these lipsticks, these are so beautiful. They are cute small lipsticks. I'll show you. There are so many colors. So after makeup, last not the list is this necklace. I bought this necklace from Amazon. So I love to wear this kind of necklace. One I had in golden color. It's very beautiful. It is perfect for Valentine's Day. It has a small heart here, and also you have a, you know, lock here. It's so pretty and good. So the lock, you have 3 chains in here, one having heart, another is a, you know, it's a like a big chain, and yeah, 3 different kinds of chain you have. I think it is very pretty on me, looking very pretty on me. So I like the vibe of it. And to pair with it, I got this jacket from Amazon. It's a perfect clothing for Valentine's Day, because you will still have little bit of cold. It is not red, not maroon, but it's a beautiful perfect color. And so these are all the products that I have bought for Amazon, and yeah, this is using all these products I've created this look. And yeah, this is you know, preparation for me for, you know, Valentine's Day. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.